Ultrain is a smart contract and cloud computing platform project based in Singapore that is aiming to create a sustainable commercial ecosystem for industrial dApps. Main focus is on solving the scalability problem, reaching high TPS figures. Ultrain will be convenient for AI applications, network management and IoT services. Ultrain already has 15 international community hubs in New York, Silicon Valley, Munich and more. Technology. Ultrain team is working on a new model called Trusted Computing that includes CPU, GPU, memory computing, hard disk, and bandwidth resources. A large variety of devices will be able to participate in the network development, including mining rigs or IoT smart devices. Another important feature of the project is its own RPOS consensus model, based on the delegated POS mechanism. Another important feature is user-friendly smart contract Robin framework based on TypeScript. Robin framework allows to create dApps without any limitations by code length or complexity. The concept of operating system design allows developers to run dApps under multi-layer processes and cross-consensus. Ultrain will support several high-level programming languages such as CC, TypeScript, JavaScript, and Golang. Economics. Ultrain uses the dual-layer token architecture system, which includes UToken and UGAS. UToken name unites all the tokens used by dApps running or built on Ultrain platform, like ERC20 on Ethereum. Each dApp will be allowed to issue its own token and establish its own monetary system and its own business model. Each dApp will be choosing its own consensus model, including POW, POS, POA, POS, or a new one that suits better. UGAS will be used for purchasing computing power for running smart contracts on Ultrain. UGAS will be generated by mining. By selling computing power, 20% of the generated UGAS is retained by the foundation for the maintenance and operation of the Ultrain ecology. UGAS will be used for purchasing computing power, for purchasing third-party services, for obtaining tokens. Market and competitors. There's a long list of competitors that have already firmly established on the market. dApps will choose among existing platforms due to certain features. There is already a long list of competitors working on the best solution, both centralized like Azure, Google Cloud, OS, Microsoft, and decentralized Ethereum, EOS, Neo, Hashgraph, QuarkChain, Celica, Golem, Sun, Exec, Hypernet, Deep Cloud, and many others. Team and advisory board. Ultrain core team seems quite experienced, with founders coming from Alibaba, IBM, and Financial 360 Security, and has a wide experience in technology and business. The advisory board is significantly small, with only 2 members on board, both quite young and without relevant blockchain experience. Executive team. Ray Guo, the co-founder and CEO, former director of Alibaba Security Unit in charge of data security strategy and previously 10 years at IBM GBS team. Emma Liao, co-founder and CSO, former managing director of Golden Brick Capital, head of IoT investment of Kehu 360 and head of China at leading European investment bank its Partners GmbH. Li, co-founder and CTO, the former technical director and chief architect of Ant Financial Blockchain T. Advantages. The language of smart contracts is JavaScript. The project raised us 20 M in a private sale, having sold 10% of tokens. The team proposed a new RPOS consensus that should ensure the decentralization. The team is strong and contains with Alibaba veterans. That is a good sign that they will manage to complete the project. Ultrain already has 15 international community hubs such as New York, Silicon Valley, and Munich that will help to conquer the market. Disadvantages. High competition in the market. There are giants like Ethereum, EOS, Neo, and some projects that are being launched this year like Infinity, Oasis, Chromopolis, and others. Low hype levels so far. Media activity is still low. The idea of Ultrain is not new, and the market they are entering is highly competitive, with lots of centralized and decentralized players, including giants like Ethereum or Neo. Overall, the technical solution and project features seem really promising, considering that 50% token will be distributed via mining, and only 10% were sold during the private sale for 20 MLN.